Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my last video. So this video is going to be a haul video. I've purchased some stuff from Nykaa, Purple and an Instagram page. So let me take you right in. So first I'll show you the stuff I got from purple.com. So I got a couple of products from this brand called Goodbyte, which is a very nice affordable skincare brand. And I've been trying out quite a number of products from that particular brand. So the first thing I got is this one. This is the Goodbyte Pomegranate Antioxidant Foaming Face Wash. This basically is a face wash, but it comes out as a foam, like the Himalaya foaming face wash. So this is a lazy girl's best friend. So I'll try this out and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. So the second thing I got is this Goodbyte Neem and Tulsi Glow Toner. So basically I like these type of pump style toners, facial sprays and all that, mainly because in the morning I really don't have the time to take a cotton pad, put some toner on it and swipe it all across my face. I just like to spritz toner onto my face, and these kind of spray bottles come in handy during the morning time. So I'll try this out and I'll let you guys know if I like this or not. This is Neem and Tulsi, so I guess it's beneficial for the skin also. So it prevents acne and it keeps your skin clean. So I'll let you guys know. This is a cruelty free brand. It has no sulfates, no parabens and no alcohol. Always try to use a toner which is alcohol free, because if you use a toner which has alcohol, there's no point in using a toner. So I'll try this and I'll let you guys know. So the third thing I got is this nail polish from the Purple brand itself. So Purple as a brand has some lipsticks and nail polish as well. I'm not sure what other cosmetic items they've got, but so far I've seen their lipsticks and nail polishes, and I picked this one up because I badly wanted a green matte nail polish for so long, and I finally got this. I haven't tried this out. This just arrived yesterday, so I'll try it out. And the fourth thing and the final thing I got from purple.com is this Stay Quirky Badass Eyeliner. I've talked about this like a zillion times on my blogs and on my Instagram and all that. So this is a matte black eyeliner. The tip is super fine and I've already used this. I emptied it out and I started using the next one, which I did not like that much. It kept drying out quickly, so I was waiting to buy this. I finally got this on purple.com. This is available only on purple.com, by the way. And if you wish to see review and swatches of these Stay Quirky eyeliners, I have a blog post on it. You can check out my Instagram. There'll be a link for the blog post. You can find a review on this over there. So this is a great eyeliner, and it's very affordable also. It's below 150 or something. I got it for 114 rupees or something. I'm not too sure. I'll leave the prices in the description box. And I got some stuff from an Instagram page which is called Skin Matters 006 or something like that. So it's basically an Instagram page which sells international brands, and I got 2 skincare items from the brand The Ordinary. So I've been wanting to try this brand The Ordinary for the longest time. I've heard some great reviews on those, and I picked out the classic Hyloronic acid serum and then AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. So these kind of serums that they sell, they do not have any particular name saying that this is the face glow serum or this is glow restore serum or anything like that. They just have the ingredient name on their box, and that is it. So I got this hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. I don't know what B5 is, but hyaluronic acid is great for hydrating your skin. If you have dry skin, do give this a try. So this one retailed for about 1,000, I guess 900 or 1,000 rupees. I'm not too sure. So I haven't tried this out yet. So I'm waiting to try this out. So this one is a peeling solution. This has AHA and BHA, which is alpha hydroxyl acid and beta hydroxyl acid. And this is supposed to be like really exfoliating and stuff like that. You have to use a very tiny amount all across your face, and leave it on for 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, because these things are very potent. So you want to leave it only for like 10 minutes and then wash it off. It's supposed to be like really exfoliating. I've just used this once, so I'm not too sure whether it actually made any difference. I have to continue using this to actually see a difference. So this is how the bottle looks like. It looks like blood, but it's not. So it comes with a dropper, so it's very convenient. And the hyaluronic acid, it looks like this. Let me show you the packaging. So this is the box, and this has a very similar packaging with a different fluid inside, serum inside. So this one you can use it in the night. So all these highly potent acids and serums, it's better to use it in the night. And when you use it the next day, you're supposed to wear like a thick layer of sunscreen, because your skin becomes sensitive to the sun if you wear this the night before. So that is it. That's the two things that I got from the Instagram store, and I got a couple of usual stuff from Nykaa, and I also got some stuff that I wanted to try out. So the first thing I got is this onion hair oil. So my cousin was telling me that onion hair oil, it helps in hair growth, it stimulates hair growth. So this says that it reduces hair fall, effectively controls dandruff, promotes healthy hair growth, increases hair thickness and volume. So this is all I need, because I've been having a lot of hair fall lately. So it would be nice to have a product that actually works. So this is how the bottle looks like. This is from the brand Jeva. Jiva has some really nice stuff, and it's always on a discount. I've heard so many people talking about this brand, and it has some hair masks. Sorry, not hair masks. It has some face masks. I have tried the charcoal face mask, and it's worked really well for me. It just clings on to all your dirt and just removes it. Like when you wash it off, you feel like so clean. Your face is so clean. So that's a very nice mask, and they have come up with the chocolate mask also, I guess. So I want to try that as well. So Jeva is basically a good brand. That's what I'm trying to say. And this is the onion hair oil from Jeva. It also has a pump, so it makes it convenient for you to apply. So that's one thing I got from Nykaa. And another thing is this one. So this is the Kaya Lighten and Smooth Under Eye Gel. So I have used only the under eye gels and creams from Biotic. They haven't reduced my dark circles or anything so much, but then they have been hydrating enough for my under eyes. It doesn't, get dry or crusty. So it keeps them very hydrated, but I haven't seen any dark circles being removed. Like, it doesn't work on dark circles. That's what I'm basically trying to say. So this Kaya one, it looks like it's gonna work, because it got the Nykaa Best Eye Cream Award or something like that. So I just picked this one up, and this is a gel sort of consistency. It's not like a thick cream or something. I've used this once or twice, and it was quite hydrating, but I have to use this for a prolonged period of time in order to actually see a difference. So I'll use this and I'll let you guys know. So the next thing I wanted to try was this simple face wash. So this is simple, sensitive skin experts kind to skin refreshing facial wash. This has no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no alcohol, no parabens, no animal derivative ingredients, and this is 150 ml. So again, I've heard so many people talk about this particular face wash. Basically, if so many people talk about it, I want to try it out. So I just buy it. So this was also a little affordable only. It was like 320. Yeah, it's 325 rupees. And you get a huge tube. I have been using the Lotus Neem face wash for the longest time, and it has worked very well for me. So I do want to give some other face washes a try, because why do you have to stick to a single face wash throughout your life when there are so many options? So I got this. And this is for oily skin, I believe, because they have another variant which is like more on the moisturizing side. So this is one thing. And then I got a couple of repurchases. So this is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. This is an excellent rose water. I had used this in the past and I stopped buying it for, I don't know, whatever reason it may be. So I don't know why I stopped buying it, but I missed this so badly. So I got a bottle for myself. This is a little expensive. It's like 275 rupees for 50 ml. It's like a little up there in price, but it's a very good rose water. So, and then I got this Himalaya moisturizing aloe vera facial wipes. I already used this up. This is like a tiny pack. It has some 10 wipes or something, I believe. It's not, it has no alcohol. It's very gentle. So I got this because I can take this to my office. Because it has only 10 wipes, I guess. Yeah, and it was very gentle. And then another repurchase is this Nivea, what is this? Original Caring Lip Balm. So this is a clear variant. I've spoken about this quite a lot, and this is like the best lip balm I've ever used, because it's like intensely moisturizing. It's Vaseline in tube form, like I already said in that other video, the empties video, I believe. So this is basically Vaseline in a tube form. So give this a shot. If you haven't tried this yet, you have to try this because it's very, very good. The colored ones are not that good. I have tried it. It did not work that well for me. But this one is like very, very good. So that is it for my haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will make sure to leave links or the product details and prices in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification. Like, share, comment on this video if you really liked it, and do share it with all your friends. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much. I'll meet you next time. Bye.